Get dirty with the Dirt Man. Getting crazy, getting hot, getting woo! We're getting out of hand. Let me invite Tori in here. Everybody should know my daughter Tori. If you don't, my daughter Tori.
So I heard about the one chip challenge from a channel called Cow Chop, and I've been trying to get my hands on these chips for 3 years, and we finally got them. I had to have my dad do it because I know because we both love hot peppers, hot spices, love the hot sauces. So I figured if we can stand this, we can do anything.
Yeah, I ate a 5-alarm hamburger yesterday and it was hot, and I barely got that one down, so we'll see what happens. Are you ready for this one? So what is the challenge? We have to, who's gonna last the longest, or we have to last a half an hour, what do we do?
As far as I know, it's just try to go as long as you can without milk, water, or anything. So we'll see how well we do.
Who are you gonna put your money on?
Tori.
I knew it.
All right, let's do it. So tell us about the chip and the company. I know you love this company.
I very much do. They make
She loves this company.
So I buy their salsa verde chips. They make some of the cleanest chips on the planet for tortilla chips. They have a lot of different types, like ghost pepper, jalapeno. It's one of the best companies. It's right out of Texas, so if you're in Texas, you should definitely support them. I'm very excited for this.
By the way, Todd's Dirt and the Dirt Man, we are not sponsored by Paqui. We paid for our own money with this. In fact, I think I paid for this.
No, I paid for it.
You paid for it? No, I think I paid for it.
You paid for one of them.
All right, well, whatever. We're not sponsored by this. It's gonna be clear you should be sponsoring us, so let's open this beautiful box. It's a cool box.
Yeah, they got the little bag around the chip. Yeah, it comes in a coffin. I don't think that's very, very comforting.
All right, what does it smell like to you?
Woo!
It smells like death.
It looks like death. It's black. Oh, mine's broken.
Mine's broken too.
That's okay.
Oh boy, here we go. Please, Lord, make me get through this. All right,
Ready?
here we go. Here comes the burn. My tongue is burning. She's spitting already. Ooh. Oh. Tears are coming.
Every time you breathe, it gets worse.
Oh.
I'm crying. I'm glad I'm wearing waterproof mascara. I've had Carolina Reaper before. Oh, this sucks.
How long have we gone so far?
6 minutes.
It's 6 minutes?
Well, technically, some of that was the intro, so really.
Do you have any lemon?
I'm dancing.
Gordon Ramsay says the lemon helps. I don't think it will. It's like pins and needles on your tongue.
Don't touch your eyes.
Uh-oh.
Did you get your eye?
I did.
I thought you washed your hands.
I did. I got it in my eye.
Oh.
Cut me, Mick. Cut me. I can't see out of my eye.
Your eye is like f***ed up. Excuse my language.
It really got down in my throat, really hard. Now it's kind of burning in my mouth. Feel the enamel on my teeth. It's moved to my lips. All right, first of all, I think they could do a little bit better on the flavor.
Ah, I just swallowed it. Hurts. Like, how would you describe that taste? Like if you turn charcoal into a chip.
How would I describe that? It doesn't have Todd's Dirt in there. That's one thing. It needs Todd's Dirt.
That carrot, it
needs
tastes
some
like a
Todd's
Carolina
Dirt
Reaper.
seasonings. Check out my videos. Yes, because the Dirt Man's always on the JOB. Could use some of that flavor. The part where it was closing up my throat, the burn, that has settled down pretty quickly. How long have we gone on?
7-8 minutes.
Wow, this is disappointing.
I'm kind of bummed out.
Oh. And here it comes again. Woo!
Swapped the flavor out of my mouth. I'm sorry.
Look at you.
Like, I love Paqui so much, and they make some of like the best chips. Like their salsa verde is amazing, but this tastes terrible.
Paqui, listen to her. By the way, I got.
Oh, it comes with like, oh, we get a coupon.
Ooh, coupon. Cool. Look at coupon. By the way, I got nothing left in here. Oh, there's a little piece in there.
Oh, you're gonna make me eat?
You gotta eat that. You gotta eat that. We say we're gonna eat the whole thing. Yummy.
The flavor's back.
You ready for some of this? You need some of that?
No,
Sure?
you're gonna call me a weenie if I do that.
No, you're not a weenie. I'm very impressed that you did it. I don't know why I did it. Why did I do this, Josh?
Great idea. This is a great video idea. I had the best idea
Are you disappointed
ever.
in this video?
No.
You thought one of us might crap ourselves or something like that?
I wouldn't be surprised. Like honestly, like.
Did we do good? Are you done?
Yeah, we
Is
did pretty
that heat
good.
over?
Yeah,
How much time we have in here?
I mean, the heat's pretty much gone.
16 minutes.
Done. I will say, great idea. Love the marketing on this. This is fantastic.
Oh, so cute.
But if you eat really hot stuff and you like hot stuff, this isn't that bad. It's actually a piece of cake. Well, there's a lot more to this story that we didn't video, and please accept our apologies that we just didn't know any better. We sent Josh home, who was videoing it, about 35-40 minutes after this. We were waiting for the after effects, and we felt really not much at all, and we sent him home. And then it started.
Yeah.
And then this became our friend, and this one became
The
our
enemy.
the enemy.
Like yours
Alright.
hit much sooner than mine did.
All right, so we were going on a trip the next day, a long trip, so I had to go take the dog to my grandparents' house. It was about 35 minutes away. After Josh left, about 40 minutes, I decided I would just drink a little bit of this and pour just a little bit of milk in a glass, just in case I felt something on the way. I got in the car, put my dog in my lap, off I drive. I get maybe 2 miles from here, and then I felt, what is that? It felt like somebody opened me up, pulled me open, and took a big, fat, hot, burning red coal, stuck it in my stomach, closed me up, and said, "Hello, Paqui's here," because it showed itself. And let me tell you something, the rest of the story, I drive immediately, I see a CVS, I pull over on the side of the road. I am feeling the pain like you would not believe. The pain in my mouth was gone, really had very little. I beat that on the pain in my mouth. I lost for the next couple hours. I went to CVS and ran in to buy this and to buy this. And I ran out of the store, pulling this up, chugging this. And then I came out and drank a half of this as the dog is staring at me, looking at me. And then I get in the car and I go, oh my God, I'm gonna be sick. Well, there's people everywhere. I can't get sick. I'm embarrassed. People know me around here. So I drive all the way home like this and the dog's licking my face. I'm like, oh my God. And then I get to the house and I drink the whole thing of this. And then I just sit in front of the couch, sit on the couch, and I die for an hour. From this, and this is not a good combination, but then it helps. And then Tori,
But one rookie mistake that we made is we just got this little baby jug. You don't get the baby jug. Don't get the baby jug. You need the big jug, like the one like that you see people like they're pounding it in the videos. Like I get it now. I understand. For me, I was doing great. Like I was hurting a little bit, like not that much, but like a little bit. And then he comes home freaking out. Like he just runs to the bathroom. I'm like, okay.
No, I ran to the couch.
I guess you didn't go to the couch. And I'm like, oh, maybe I'm not feeling so good. And like seeing how he's doing, I'm like expecting it to start hitting soon. I'm like, you know what? Why don't I just take a bath? Maybe that'll soothe my stomach, which makes no sense. How the hell is that gonna help? But I went up there and took a bath. I was in there for about 45 minutes, and then I was like, oh no, I get it. I was literally keeling over and I'm like, nah, I think I'm good. I'm gonna get out the bath. And I went to the bathroom and oh gosh, it was not fun. The red hot cold thing, it was just like a demon that was just in me, and it was just in there, just percolating and just like pounding my stomach, like someone was like punching my stomach. It was terrible.
So then after the couch at 45 minutes, feel a whole different pain. So it started here, and then it worked its way down. And anybody who knows what I'm talking about that's gotta go when they gotta go, I had to go. I ran downstairs, and I think you might have heard me say, fire in the hole! And it came out, and when it came out, I know that sounds gross, but I sat there on that toilet for an hour, and I wrote on Facebook, and I said, Lord help me, I've been here an hour, somebody save me. Paqui won.
I mean, really, the challenge really wasn't that bad. The flavor of the chip was really the worst part of the chip. The heat level was terrible, but it was bearable. The aftermath was terrible, and I felt it for 4 days. Like, it didn't go away for 4 days. Like, it got easier, but 4 days, my stomach felt like terrible. I didn't want to eat food. I didn't want to drink anything. I just wanted to die, but we were on vacation, so I had to still be fun. I'm like, I don't want to do anything. It was terrible. I don't know how people don't film this extra bit of what happened. Like, it's terrible, the aftermath. Like, God.
Paqui, I'm sorry, the way to start the first video. We won the beginning.
Yep.
I as you can tell, I handled the heat really well. But the aftermath, this thing should be called Aftermath. Because the aftermath is a heck of a lot worse than the beginning.
It is a lot worse.
So we hope you like this video. We had not really much fun doing this video at all. But it was a great time. We hope you like it. Please subscribe to our cooking videos. We hope you really enjoy it. Check out toddsdirt.com. Check out all our videos. You can print them. You can watch me. Please subscribe. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty. Oh. I didn't know I'd get pepper sprayed at the same time.
Help!
I'm moving. I'm grooving. I'm dancing. We're getting dirty. And hey, by the way, think we're done?
Yeah.
Think we're done?
It's not that
Things
bad.
over?